We're half of Red Rum Club. We're gonna ruin your lunch. Right? We didn't know we were doing this until about 20 minutes ago. So totally not prepared. Ready? To capture the burning ground as it starts to fracture. All we're getting in full HD. Godspeed, fire and thunder. There's a reason that you're cold in the summer. It's those rain clouds that you're under. Shake them loose and set them asunder. Undertaker, make my day. Undertaker, I don't wanna stay. Undertaker, make my problems go away. It's bad news for us. The future's been begun. Such a selfish exodus. It's got it in for me. Godspeed, fire and thunder. There's a reason that you're cold in the summer. It's those rain clouds that you're under. Shake them loose and set them asunder. Undertaker, make my day. Undertaker, I don't wanna stay. Undertaker, make my problems go. With cheap flights to Laura. If you're all the way to appreciate me, you're reckoning this time. Godspeed, fire and thunder. There's a reason that you're cold in the summer. Undertaker, make my day. Undertaker, I don't wanna stay. Undertaker, make my problems go away. Go away. Go away. Thank you very much. So we usually have like a 2-hour rule when we play, and so like our stage time today is 5:30, everyone in Grand Central over there. Alright, be there. So that means we're not allowed to drink usually until 3:30, 2 hours before that. Because we've made that mistake before. Someone just give me this. Sorry. Do you want to say we're on R5? Might not be.
We've got cars, bars, rivers,
sun is slowly no longer night. Not quite morning, fall into your room, talking till the afternoon. My eyes are bright, but I'm so tired, losing the fight. But I'm inspired, dancing to a tune, loving in the afternoon. I know I'm in need, but I'm trying. Trying to get some sleep, but I'm flying. The dawn is coming fast. calling for a long good night. Not quite morning, falling to your room, talking to the afternoon. Falling to your room, talking to the afternoon. Falling to your room, talking to the afternoon. Okay, we've got one more because the curry's waiting for us. Okay, so we're gonna vibrate or Eleanor. I don't know. Vibrate. Okay. There it is. I'm not happy about this. Yep, that's good. Identity in 23. God bless this charming mess. Not my fantasy in front of me. Undressed as I try my best to mute the television set. Consequences and regret. Conversations I forget. Half smoked cigarettes, swimming in a red cup. The sun's coming up. One night with you was never enough. I'm sorry that I missed your call. I lost my phone and it was on vibrate. Picked it up with 10 missed calls, but I don't think that I can talk. I need you to call me back. She texted caps, I don't know what to say. Sorry that I missed your call. I lost my phone and it was on vibrate. Vibrate. Takes the room, takes the view. I drew from a hole she pokes in my innocence. My defense, confess, get it off my chest. I don't wanna worry your mind. The temptation and the drink of mine was enough to lead me out to her bed. I just can't get it out of my head. I'm sorry that I missed your call. I lost my phone and it was on vibrate. Picked it up with 10 missed calls, but I don't think that I can talk. I need you to call me back. She texted caps, I don't know what to say. Sorry that I missed your call. I lost my phone and it was on vibrate. I think I lost my head, leaving you already. I think I lost my head, 'cause every day I find it full of things I wish I would have said. Reasons made up on the spot. Currently it's all I've got. Falling for another lover. Do I love her? Probably not. I can stand here tight excuses. Are you gonna believe me? Sorry that I missed your call. I lost my phone and it was on vibrate. Picked it up with 10 missed calls, but I don't think that I can talk. I need you to call me back. She texted caps, I don't know what. Sorry that I missed your call. I lost my phone and it was on vibrate. Reasons made up on the spot. Currently it's all I got. Falling for another lover. Do I love her? Probably not. Reasons made up on the spot. Currently it's all I got. tune, high five. Enjoy your Bundobust.